Good angles. He's reaching. Get him reaching.
Time his hands.
That shot. Don't reach. Re-attack. He's reaching. Stop. He says heavy hands. Right there, snap, go. Get him reach. Jody. Right there, he's gonna reach.
Stay heavy.
Elbow. Get him reaching. Come on, Trent. Right there, he reaches hard. There, right now. No. Circle up. Watch that. Get out of there. Circle up. You got it. Re-drag. Quick drag. Watch that. Look your drag.
Watch the fireman. Watch the dump.
Get him out. Elbow lead. Get him reaching.
You're a single leg.
Right there. Then he reaches. Right there. Jody.
30. Snap him down. Yes, get him
Now get out of there.
Get him on the circle line.
Hit.
Wrist.
Watch your shot.
Watch that fireman. Watch that reach across. Watch that dump. Watch that. Sucker drag. Get out of there. Control wrist.
Hey, watch him jump in here. Short time.
Sucker drag. Quick drag. Short time. All right, you just gotta get angles. All right.
Hey, stay moving.
Hey,
Here you go. Jump on
tough.
top.
Be a bear here. Ankles. No more. Hey, no more. Ankles are up. No more. Wait for the whistle. You got it. There they are. Go under it again. Backside. Punch it through.
Don't fight hands.
Place that leg.
Sorry.
Come on, Trey. One good one here. Goes to a knee, then he reaches. Jody there. Elbow lead.
Rolling circle.
He's just coming. You gotta move. Right there. Sucker drag through. Get out of there. Watch him, mixer. Watch the mixer. Control wrist. Pitch. Control wrist.
Hey, yo, circle hard. Suck it through.
Watch that dump.
He's gonna triangle choke on us. Right?
Watch it choke. Look at it choke.
He's grabbing his own forearm.
Hey, watch that choke. Get out of there. Hey, watch it choke under there. Hey, you gotta move in and out. Trent, get him reaching, Trent. Right when he reaches, right arm. Now reach. Go. Get out of there. Circle out.
Snap and spin. 25 deep.
Get it.
Go,
2 hands. Bring it up. Knees. Step up. Watch it throw. Get off your knees. No. Hey, get your feet, don't stand in front of him. Come on, Trent. Get your one, then be smart. Sit to a stand. Change over. There you go. Go. Hand fight. Hand fight. Watch your weight. Get out there. Watch the throw. Get out there. Watch that dump. Get out there. Jody. Jody single.
Hey, he's coming hard right club to a sweep.
Hard right club. Don't reach.
He wants a distance.
Don't stand in front of him. Get it. Get it.
Drive.
Two. There's two.
He's trying to work up. Push it on him.
There you go. Keep it flat. Keep it flat. Let the leg go. There you go. Keep it flat. Place the leg. Keep it flat. No, you don't need it. Just keep it flat.
Work it. Work it.
Just be smart. There you go. Stay there. No. Stay on that ankle.
Work it out. Circle it out. Circle it out. Circle it out.